Hi guys, it's Ellum here. Welcome back with another video. Today we have Michael tries the Fortune Vending Machine, Yvonne's mustard, xQc's thoughts on his Tate debate. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.
What is it? Okay, let's see. Oh, let's see. Holy shit. I cannot read Japanese.
That's a lot of words.
That's big and small.
You can read chungi. Oh, there's an English side.
Oh,
Surprise, surprise.
your forgotten dreams come back to life. Invest that limited budget in yourself. Already busy? Another set of tasks is predicted. Ask for help before it's too late. If you have something in mind, go to a doctor right now. Sooner the better.
That was really specific.
SNS, post a picture of body parts you're confident with. You could get more likes. No.
Oh.
God.
At McDonald, they have regular mustard sauce. Not hot mustard, not
I
honey
can't
mustard.
with
They
you
have
and mustard.
regular, and it's fire.
Do they not give regular?
Whenever Obama would come back to like so his house is in Hyde Park, right? Like whenever he came back. Who had orange juice? It's not doxing Obama. It's like that's the whole point. Everyone knows that he lives there. That's why Secret Service would shut it.
Now I know.
I can't. I'm not doxing Obama, guys. Everyone knows. Anyways, if you guys look up, he lives he sold it I think now, but he had a house in Hyde Park, north of University of Chicago. And whenever he would come through the town, Secret Service would shut down the entire block. We had to produce all these.
That's my guess. It's like I'm not actually. Like it's like.
Okay, 7.
Oh, only 7.
Yes.
Okay.
Only 7.
Oh, you wanna come?
I bought this because I thought it was nice, and then these shoes I have had for a while. Like these are socks from Amazon. These are like shorts from I don't know where, probably Amazon or Aritzia. And oh, no shirt.
Chad, this is the key to any good outfit. Always buy basics from Amazon and everywhere else, and then.
Why? Why you laugh?
Bald.
Not bald.
Look at this guy just laughing at me.
What?
What's his name?
Hassan.
Oh, Hassan. Oh, I heard about his name. You talk about him.
Hey! Will, he's coming running.
You're like, was that Rob?
Dude, stop.
Good to meet you in person,
Hey, man. Good
Dude, I
kid.
didn't even put it together. You're like, was that Rob?
Let me take another photo.
No.
Was that Rob's CD, The Angel of
Dude,
Shibuya?
stop.
The angle.
Stop.
And I was like, why didn't he just introduce himself?
Yeah, dude, we were both like,
Why'd
no,
you
he
come up
would've-
to us like some
he would've
random fucking
introduced himself.
streamer, dude?
I'm a random streamer. Alright, there we go.
No, literally, I was
Stop.
like, it's him, right? And you're like, I don't know, he would have introduced himself.
That's what I was
It's
saying. I
him.
was like, no, Rob would have.
I didn't want to say shoes. Stop.
And then, you know, we pulled your account up and we're like, no, it's him.
Yes.
What's wrong with you, bro? Be normal.
Yeah,
What
come
the
tap
fuck?
us up.
Alright, good stuff.
Oh, I didn't know that. Explain, please.
So,
I want to learn.
Daddy can mean, so there are a lot of ways
Uh-huh.
that, sometimes
Changes.
we could just walk with them.
Oh,
We could-
sorry.
No, don't worry about it.
Sorry.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yes.
Hot Johnny's here! Oh my god!
The champion. IRL champion.
Oh damn!
Let's
Oh my god,
go.
nice to meet you!
Hey,
Crazy!
yeah, looks so
Oh,
fun.
you're here!
Hey guys, my ear.
Oh.
Don't explain. It's
Oh
coming.
my! I cannot.
Congress,
Oh
Congress.
my!
What's up, guys?
Hey.
What's up?
Yo,
Yo, finally, first time. Is this? Oh my gosh, is this the Angel Shibuya? Stop. Yeah.
Take me back to high school when I was bullied by people like you guys.
People like me?
Yeah, people like.
You got bullied by nerds?
What the fuck? What do you mean?
What a loser.
Who's the nerd?
What's your favorite house flipper show? I don't watch any of them. I consider them part of the endemic problem of treating housing as an investment or a leisurely sport instead of as a necessity for, you know, human life. I consider them more morally objectionable than any kind of sexual content you could possibly imagine within, you know, reason. I feel like HGTV should be the subject of a class action lawsuit from American renters, and I feel like they should be forced to go out of business. Is that based enough for you? But if you twisted my arm, I would say hometown.
Oh my god, hi, I'm cringing to you.
Hey.
Can you remember which met?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 2 years ago, the jiggle jiggle video.
That's yeah, I remember.
Are you live right now?
Yeah, I am live.
It's another jiggle jiggle moment, I hope.
Okay, don't worry about it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's so hyped. So, can I take a picture?
Yeah, sure thing.
I was like talking to the girls about you, and then because your guys made a Reddit post about me,
oh,
and
yeah.
they were like, I was so nervous meeting you the first time. I was like, oh my god, that's fun. And everybody, she jiggled with her boobs. She did that on purpose. I was like, I didn't do it on purpose.
Well, I always do it. Whenever I do it on purpose.
Yeah, me too. I jiggle with my boobs just for the clicks, you know.
Yeah, of course. All right.
Thank you.
All right. I'll see you later.
See you, yeah,
Yeah, I'm
bye.
going this way. I gotta bounce out, so.
Why does it sound like James Charles?
Was it sound like that? What'd you say?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Get ready with me for my 25th birthday dinner.
Wait, what?
Hey, sisters.
Is she freaking out? Is she popping out?
Hey, sisters. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I sound like James Charles?
Team push and all that. Splatoon 3 is a lot like Splatoon 1, but like has those Splatoon 2 aspects as well. So like you're doing.
It's absolute chaos. Okay, and once you understand that, right, you understand that I have to go harder and I have to be involved in that discussion. Otherwise, we will not be able to disprove, or we're not going to have any sort of second guess of his thoughts. That's the problem with people that talk to this guy, is that they don't go against his takes, and they don't go against his beliefs, right? They don't say anything. They just say yeah. They nod. What does Aiden do when he says his takes? Yeah. They just nod. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. I'm sorry, man. I'm not gonna let some guy that is literally anti-woman go on anti-woman rants on the stream without voicing my fucking opinion. If that comes out as shouting, getting mad, moving my fucking arms around, then so fucking be it. Okay? That's my method of communicating sometimes, and it sucks, but so fucking be it. I don't give a fuck. If I look like I didn't know what I was saying, or I look like I didn't know.
Thank you, man. Take care.
What's that is? Coil! Yo, you gotta unban him. You gotta unban him. Coil, you had to unban him. This is Ming. This is Mr. Ming. He's banned from roleplay. You have to unban him. You have to. You have to.
Yeah, what's up, Fusely?
Nice to meet you, Coil.
Hi.
I'm a
You want to say hi
fan.
to my stream?
Yeah. Thanks for like all the work you do on the NoPixel server and the restaurant and all the NoPixel
Oh, you're welcome.
stuff.
You're welcome.
No, that's awesome. You're really tall.
Yeah.
How tall?
Yeah, this is kind of I do this sometimes so that people they don't know, and then that way I can just kind of comfortably get by. Shouldn't be a big deal. Hey, yeah.
What I don't understand is why you claim you're brave. I say I hate America all the time, okay? A lot of motherfuckers want to kill me over that take. But at least I say it with my fucking chest. People will be like, Hassan, you hate America. I'm like, yeah, I do. I do hate America. People will be like, Hassan, you hate cops. I say, yeah, I do. Why? I'm not a pussy. Andrew Tate, on the other hand, is like, oh, I'm not a misogynist. But bottled water, sparkling water, where's my Bugatti? Women are bitches. But also, I'm not a misogynist. Women are wrong, and they're bad, and they're emotional. But I'm not a misogynist. Don't be a pussy. Just say it. I say I hate America. I say I hate the fucking police. I think they're bullshit, okay? You can't say you're a fucking misogynist because you're a fucking pussy.